Friends, TUXX here. For this particular video, I want to talk a little bit about cables. Sometimes people ask, like, what cables do we use, that kind of thing. And I wanted to say I've reviewed this product before, this brand, and this is the brand I still use to this day, 2026, a Silkland. Excellent cables, okay? If you go back in my queue, you'll probably see some other cables. In fact, just a week before this, I ordered some USB-C cables, actually, from them. So just really great brand, guys. Super high quality. This particular one here is the ultra high-speed HDMI cable, okay? And you can see it even has the certification holographic stickers, so very cool. This is how it comes, very nicely packed. It's like a little zipper bag, and I really appreciate these zipper bags because you can actually keep them in here. So if it's something where it's like an extra cable or something, you can actually just keep it in here when not in use. Like especially if you're filming things on the road or whatever, or like USB-Cs you're packing or something. Now check out this cable, guys. You guys know I love braided cables. It's just that little extra sign of quality that they don't have to do. No, they don't, but they do in a lot of cases just to show that they really care. And these guys obviously care about their cables. Beautiful black braided cable, looking very good. They last longer. The ends are reinforced here, very, very good. And you can see here we got the little gold plated end here, okay? And this particular cable is a 8K rated cable for HDMI, so really good stuff. You might be saying, oh, TUXX, like, why would I want to use fancy cables, like that kind of thing? What's the difference? Is it the same as like a dollar store cable? And yes, there's a big difference. It is not the same as a dollar store cable. The reason why you want to use high quality cables, okay, in this particular case for video we're talking, is, you know, this gives true 8K and 4K high frame rate support, okay? If you use cheaper cables, like even going down to like DAP players, MP3 players, that kind of thing, sometimes you can't even do data transfer. Sometimes they're just rated for charging, you know, and that's all they'll do, you know. This particular cable, super high rated. I mean, you can do that 8K, you can do the 4K. It supports 8K at 60 hertz, okay, which is really good. And then it does do 4K at 120 hertz. So really great frame rates. I mean, if you expect your system to perform well, if you're buying expensive, you know, better monitors, better computer components like video cards, etc., or even if you're just going from like a Blu-ray player or PlayStation to your TV, you want to have nice cables because that can be a bottleneck where your system, you know, is pushing your high-end computers pushing data, but then it's got this skinny little pipe, you know, and things get jammed up in there. They get bottlenecked, and the information, the data can't pass through. So you want a good quality cable, you know. This is 48 gigaflops HDMI port with 2.1 bandwidth, so very, very good. It's a much higher data capacity than a standard like HDMI, you know, 2 cable, which is usually around 18 gigaflops. So that's like what, more than three times the amount. I mean, a lot of data can pass through this. This is a big pipe, in other words. Okay, so good stuff. Advanced features, you know, if your device supports them, dynamic HDR, you know, ARCK, that's for like high resolution audio, like Dolby Atmos, that kind of thing. DTSX, VRR, ALLM, you know, for gaming performance, for like smoothing gaming performance. Nothing's worse than playing a game and having like kind of like a laggy screen or having a motion blur, that kind of thing. You want nice crisp graphics. Like, you spend all this money on other components. Like, sometimes people cheap out in the cables. That just drives me batty. You know, you have to have nice cables, you know. The quality of them, again, super nice nylon braided, you know, like cord, so really good. It'll last longer. And on the inside, you know, aluminum alloy shell, really good, gold plated, and just better strength design. You know, these cables get a lot of use and abuse, even if it's the spaghetti behind a desk or something. You want to have nice cables. Nice cables will last you a long time, so it will be worth it. You know, and they're compatible. They're compatible with TVs, you know, OLED screens, Samsung Neo, you know, there's a lot of things, you know, consoles, PlayStation, Xbox. You know, these cables are great for all sorts of uses, no matter if it's something just, you know, doing a little casual gaming on your Xbox 360 from back in the day, or doing something more advanced like video editing off a high-end video card. So to recap, this Silkland ultra high speed HDMI cable is an excellent way to go. I will have a link for you right below, so be sure and click that link to get yours at the very best price. But I would recommend these. Honestly, go back to my queue again. You'll see I've been using them for years. This is my favorite cable brand. Love this little zipper package. Love the braiding. Love the quality. You know, if you guys have any questions about cables, why to use good cables, you know, speed rates, anything, let me know in the comments below or email me, tuxtoys@gmail.com. You guys know I'm here to help, okay? I want to thank you for making it to the end of this video, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the link.